Introducing the Cuisinart DCC T20 Cup Programmable Coffeemaker Touchscreen in sleek black. This innovative coffee maker is designed to elevate your coffee brewing experience. Featuring full touchscreen controls, it's easy to navigate and customize your brewing preferences. Choose between regular or bold brew strength for your perfect cup of coffee. With 24-hour programmability, you can wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee every morning. The self-clean function and 1 to 4 cup setting ensure convenience and efficiency. The 14-cup glass carafe allows you to brew large quantities of coffee, perfect for entertaining or busy households. Plus, with perfect temp technology, this coffee maker brews hotter, enhancing the rich flavors of your coffee. But before you make your purchase, please note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you're planning to use it internationally, you may require an adapter or converter. Ensure compatibility before making your decision. Cuisinart T-Series Coffee Maker not only delivers outstanding performance but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Its intuitive touchscreen controls make brewing coffee a breeze, and its sleek design will complement any kitchen decor. Upgrade your brewing experience with the Cuisinart DCC T20 Cup Programmable Coffeemaker Touchscreen. Get yours today and indulge in the perfect cup of coffee every time.